Hey Data Fam, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back with Talk Data with Jen. So, if you are stuck in learning SQL or Excel, or I can be like any skill, so I got you a very interesting website. So, just go to your any web browser and just write W3 schools, and they are very kind of famous as well also. So easily you can learn here about, and you can even practice also, start learning SQL now. So whatever, and the main I unique USP of this website is that they have specific topics. Just click on them and you syntax, get the syntax, and even at the end you can practice also. And if you're learning Python, because some people are starting to learn Python, or they uh, in between forgets the syntax, so easily they can check this website. And even for Excel also, but Excel I have given you the magic trick. You can check the video in the description box, and I will link the description of this website as well. And do utilize this free resources, and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for giving me all the support. I really appreciate this, and thank you.